On what charges? Wow.
How you doing, sir?
How you doing, man?
You have your driver's license vehicle information on you?
What's going on?
I'd be happy to tell you once I see who I'm talking to, all right?
I need you to let me know, like, what's going on. Like, what happened?
Like I said, I'd be happy to tell you once I see information.
I'm not giving you my information until you tell me what you pulled me over for.
All right, sir. Failure to give me my information is an arrestable offense, okay?
Right.
So you can either do this the easy way or the hard way, all right?
I need to know what you're pulling me over for.
The hard way.
I'm going to tell you once I see information, all right?
I got information, but I'm not giving you my information until you tell me what you pulling me over for.
Here's the deal. You either give me your ID or you go to jail. How about that?
Put this on camera, man, because we're not dealing with this.
Give me your ID.
I need to know why you pulling me over.
Give him your ID.
Listen to your wife.
I'll be on the staff, entrance to the parks. Can you send me another car? I have a uncooperative occupant. Last chance.
Look, I need to know why you pulling me
Give
over.
him your ID.
No, just give your ID.
Where's he again? The entrance to the park. From
Can you tell me what you pulling me over for? Is my tags expired? Are my lights out?
I'd be happy to tell you, sir. Silver Kia Forte, plate of David Charles Edwards, 0130 DCE 0130, 3 times.
You supposed to tell me what's going on, man.
Are you a lawyer, sir?
Hey, I'm representing myself right now.
Okay.
Because to be honest with you, I have a right to remain silent, right? So I could just sit here and ignore you.
No, you can't, sir.
I don't ask you any questions.
Yes.
Okay, well, it's going to turn out very poorly for you.
It's fine, but you're not telling me what's going on, and that ain't right.
I'm gonna tell you what the deal is. You're probably suspended, so you don't want to give me your license.
I don't have to give you my information.
Okay.
Tell me what's going on. And that ain't right, because I just renewed my tags in October 2015.
Okay.
So my tags is good.
Nah. Doesn't matter. You have to provide your ID.
So, am I free to go?
Your driver's
No, you're not free to go.
license.
This is an investigatory stop, all right?
Right.
This is the who stop?
31
You said what, sir?
All right. It's going to end poorly for you now. How about that?
I'm just saying, you got to let me know what's going on.
All right, here's the deal.
For all I know, you could be trying to kill me right now.
You're absolutely ridiculous, all right?
I don't care.
Right.
All right,
Because
step out of the car.
It's been 2 minutes. I'm not stepping out the car until you tell me what's going on.
All right, open the door.
Hey, put this on camera. Put this on camera. You gotta let me know what's going on, man. You're not doing this.
You're going to jail is what's going on.
Yes.
For what? You ain't. What charges? On what charges? Wow.
Get out of the car now.
Get out of the car. Should have given your ID. You need to provide your license before you ask what's going on.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Let me get out of the car. Okay, get out. Get out of the car.
Obliged to give your ID, your license ID, your proof of insurance.
Get out of the car now. Get out of the car.
Registration.
Put your hand behind your back.
This is what happens if you're trying to be a smart
Put your hand behind
alert.
your back. Put your other hand behind your back. You got it. Shoot.
Yeah.
out of the car.
Put your hands, man.
Get out of the car now.
Should have provided your ID, man. Should have given your ID. Legally, you are obliged to show your license, proof insurance, and registration.
Hey, watch that. There's a knife right here. No, it's mine. It's yours? Okay. Yeah, I threw it over there.
PT. That's PT.
Step out of the vehicle.
My wallet and I got my meds.
Put your hands on the car.
I'm sorry.
Put your hands on the car.
Don't touch my phone.
Get it out of your hand. Put your hand on the car.
Grab my phone. Police brutality. Police brutality.
Nah. Can't invoke that. This time, your husband is in the
Oh,
wrong.
you're going to jail too.
Real simple.
I am a female. Don't matter.
Alright.
I'm gonna roll you over, right? Listen. Roll you over.
It's just a simple traffic
Stand
stop.
up. Get your knees up. Ready? I'm gonna lift you up. 1, 2, 3. Get up.
Nah.
Come on, right back here.
This isn't racial issues. This isn't racial profiling. No.
See.
This is pure stubbornness. Just a pure stubbornness. Now you're going to jail. You know, let's look at the facts. You know, the driver repeatedly demands the reasons for the stop before providing his documentation. Now, while it feels instinctive to demand answer, legally, your license and registration are the price of admission for being on the public roads. You know, by withholding those documents, the driver unknowingly triggered a failure to comply protocol. You know, the moment he moved from asking questions to withholding identification, he shifted the tactical landscape. Now the officers stopped seeing a driver and started seeing an uncooperative subject. Here's the hard truth, you know, you can be 100% right about your rights and still end up in handcuffs on the side of the road. Your car is not a courtroom. Always remember that. By choosing to stand his ground during a roadside stop, the driver lost his best leverage. Had he simply provided paperwork, he would have likely received a citation that he could then fight in the court with a lawyer, where he would have the actual power to win. Instead, by drawing a line in the sand, he forced an escalation that turned a minor traffic violation into a criminal arrest. This is a masterclass in why de-escalation is your best tool. Your objective during any police encounter should always be to minimize the time on the side of the road and get home safely. If you believe an officer is out of line, your best defense is your own documentation, like your dashcam footage, not a confrontation on the soldier of the highway. Comply, document, and let the legal system work for you later. It's simple. But you know, if the driver had just complied, would he be home right now? Or was the principle worth the arrest? I don't think so, you know. I want to hear your take about this, you know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below. Let's talk your thoughts there, and stay safe. I'm out. Peace.